Hey, if you want to get rid of the YouTube shorts on your YouTube mobile app, first when you have them on your home, like this, let's keep scrolling, here they are. So you have to click on these three dots on the right upper corner of each short preview, and then tap to click on the not interested. So keep doing this for each one. Okay, I actually misclicked to send some feedback, but we have to select not interested, and now refresh your website. Now when you scroll down, as you can see, it doesn't appear. But I was also using second account, and when I do this, when I click on this not interested, when I scroll down a little bit, I have this shorts right here. So we have to also repeat with the same one, and you will basically get rid of this short stuff from your home page. But if you wonder, for example, how to get rid of these shorts, you actually cannot do this. There's like no way to get rid of these shorts from here. So you can only get rid of them from the home. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.